Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Global Vice with Sial. Power never survives without strategy. Behind the face of democracy and freedom, America has mastered a hidden art, the strategy of divide and rule. But where did this strategy come from and how has it shaped our world? Welcome to episode 1 of America's Hidden Strategy. The idea of divide and rule is not American, it is ancient. The Roman Empire used it to weaken enemies by splitting tribes and kingdoms. The British Empire employed it in India, Africa, and the Middle East, keeping people divided by religion, ethnicity, and politics. America inherited this playbook when it rose as a global power after World War II. After 1945, the US saw the world divided into two blocks: capitalism versus communism. Instead of direct rule, Washington used a more advanced method, supporting one group against another, funding opposition parties and ministries, spreading cultural and ideological propaganda. In the Middle East, America supported some nations while secretly destabilizing others by fueling conflicts: Shia versus Sunni, Arab versus Persian, secular versus religious. They ensured no single power could challenge US influence. In Africa, America funded uh, warlords to weaken unity. In Latin America, they supported military coups against nationalist leaders. Each time, the strategy was the same: keep nation divided so they never rise against US interests. Julius Caesar once said, divide and rule. America modernized this into global politics. Martin Luther King Jr. warned, America must be born again, for she has become the greatest purveyor of violence in the world. Noam Chomsky called the US foreign policy on empire based on control through division, not unity. This is just the beginning. America's hidden strategy was not built in a day, it was built over centuries. In our next episode, we will uncover how Washington used divide and rule during the Cold War, shaping not only nations but entire countries. You are watching Axis of Reality. You are watching Global Vice with Shalvi. Stay tuned as we reveal the strategies that shape our world. Strategies that America never wants you to see. Thank you so much.